ChatGPT versus Sintra. Both are AI powered tools that promise to revolutionize how we work, but they serve very different purpose and audiences. I've been using both extensively over the past few months, and I'm going to give you the most honest breakdown of which one deserves your time and money. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just curious about AI tools, these comparison will help you make the right choice. Let's start with ChatGPT, the AI assistant that basically started the whole conversational AI revolution. ChatGPT is OpenAI's flagship product, and it's what most people think of when they hear AI chatbot. I've been using it since the early days, and watching its evolution has been fascinating. ChatGPT's biggest strength is its versatility. This thing can write code, explain complex concepts, help with creative writing, solve math problems, analyze data, and have genuinely helpful conversations about virtually any topic. The conversational interface feels natural. You can ask follow up questions, request clarifications, and even tell it to change its tone or approach. It's like having a knowledgeable colleague who never gets tired of your questions. The free tier gives you access to ChatGPT 3.5, which is honestly pretty impressive for most basic tasks. You can write emails, brainstorm ideas, get explanations, and handle simple coding tasks without paying anything. For students or casual users, this free access is incredibly valuable. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month unlocks GPT-4, which is significantly more capable. The reasoning is better, the response are more nuanced, and it can handle more complex tasks. Plus, subscribers also get faster response times and priority access during peak usage periods. Recently, they've added features like web browsing, image generation with DALL-E, and file uploads, making it even more versatile. The coding capabilities deserve special mention. ChatGPT can write, debug, and explain code in dozens of programming languages. I've used it for everything from quick Python scripts to complex JavaScript functions. It's not perfect. It sometimes makes mistakes or suggests outdated approaches, but it's incredibly useful for both beginners learning to code and experienced developers looking to speed. For content creators, ChatGPT is a game changer. It can help with brainstorming, outline creation, research, and even full content generation. I've seen YouTubers use it for video scripts, bloggers for article outlines, and social media managers for post ideas. The key is knowing how to prompt it effectively and then editing the output to match your voice and style. The recent addition of custom GPTs is particularly exciting. You can now create specialized versions of ChatGPT for specific tasks like coding, assistant trained on your preferred frameworks, or a writing helper that understands your brand voice. This customization potential is huge for power users. But let's talk about its limitations. ChatGPT can be inconsistent. Sometimes it gives brilliant responses, other times it misses the mark completely. It can be verbose when you need concise answers, and it sometimes makes confident sounding statements that are actually wrong. The training data has a cut-off date, so it doesn't know about very recent events unless you're using the web browsing feature. Now, let's talk about Sintra. And I'll be honest, this is where things get a bit more specialized. Sintra positions itself as an AI powered automation platform focusing specifically on business processes and workflow optimization. Unlike ChatGPT's general purpose approach, Sintra is built for people who want to automate repetitive tasks and streamline their business operations. Sintra's core strength lies in its automation capabilities. The platform allows you to create AI powered workflows that can handle tasks like data entry, email responses, social media posting, and customer service interactions. For business owners dealing with repetitive tasks, this can be a massive time saver. I've seen small businesses use Sintra to automate their entire customer onboarding process from initial contact to follow up sequences. The platform offers pre built templates for common business scenarios, whether you need to automate lead generation, content creation, or customer support. Sintra provides ready made solutions that you can customize for your specific needs. This is particularly valuable for non technical users who want automation benefits without learning complex tools. Sintra's integration capabilities are impressive. It connects with popular business tools like Slack, HubSpot, MailChimp, and Google Workspace. This means you can create workflows that pull data from one system, process it with AI, and then push results to another system automatically. The responses tend to be more consistent and business appropriate, which is exactly what you want for automated workflows. Sintra also offers team collaboration features that ChatGPT lacks. You can share workflows with team members, set up approval processes, and monitor automation performance through detailed dashboards. For business with multiple users, these features make Sintra more suitable for organizational use. However, Sintra comes with significant limitations. The pricing is substantially higher than ChatGPT, with plans starting around $50 per month for basic features. For small businesses or individual users, this can be a tough pill to swallow, especially when you're just starting to explore AI automation. The learning curve is steeper than ChatGPT. While Sintra provides templates, creating custom workflows requires understanding their specific interface and logic. It's not as intuitive as having a conversation with ChatGPT. You need to think in terms of triggers, actions, and conditions, which can be overwhelming for non technical users. Choose ChatGPT if you want a versatile AI assistant for general tasks. It's perfect for content creation, learning, coding help, research, and casual AI interaction. If you're an individual user, student, or creative professional who needs an AI tool for various tasks, ChatGPT is a clear winner. The free tier lets you experiment without commitment, and the Plus subscription offers excellent value per power users. Choose Centra if you're a business owner or team leader looking to automate specific workflows. It's ideal for companies with repetitive processes, multiple team members, and existing business tool integrations. If you can justify the higher cost with time savings and increased efficiency, Cintra's specialized approach delivers real business value. Start with ChatGPT to understand how AI can help your workflow. Once you've identified specific repetitive tasks that could benefit from automation, then consider whether Cintra's specialized features justify the additional cost. Many businesses find that ChatGPT's API combined with simple automation tools like Zapier provides similar benefits at a lower cost. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly and both tools will continue to improve. ChatGPT is adding more specialized features while Sintra is working on making automation more accessible. The best choice today might not be the best choice in 6 months from now on. And that's my honest comparison of ChatGPT versus Sintra in 2025. Both serve different needs and audiences, so the better choice depends on your specific situation. ChatGPT wins for versatility and accessibility, while Sintra excels at business automation.